Hello, darling, and welcome to my channel. This is Planning with Toya B, and I'm LaToya. Here we talk about planning from the page and bringing it to real life. If this is something that might interest you, hit that subscribe button, as I would love to have you be a part of the fam. Then click that notification bell so you know when the next time I upload. Now let's get started. So for this week, the inspiration is MK 246. This is the sampler. It is lemon yellow, and this is 246 into the header. And then these are the strips that are the header. They're gonna go on the hourly. This is 246P, the washi. And this is 246DD4A, the bottom box. This is 246W, the icons, and 246R, the sidebar. And this is 266 for the vertical boxes, and this is CLR11 in yellow. It's just a bunch of check boxes. You can request it in any color. So I requested it in yellow to go with this set. And this is our inspiration for today. These two yellow boxes I'm gonna use in the dashboard. I'm gonna work out something else for the hourly. So now I'm gonna do my standard. I am going to white out all of the headers and the numbers because we're gonna cover up the numbers. When you're using Planner Kate with this, the green one is also another vertical box. But when you're using Planner Kate, it's a lot easier. Now what I do is just take the sidebar washi and run it from one edge of the lines to the other. And then I use the little extra at the top, right above what some people use is their menu, and right above the checklist option. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put in the dates. These are the individual headers. Since they're not going straight across, that's for the hourly. So I'm going to go ahead and put in these dates and then grab the numbers and put those in right quick. And then there's my weekend tab from the sampler. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put my headers on here on both sides. And I'm gonna use my ruler and mark that out, because I'm going to put my scriptures on the left hand side and my weight for daily weight on the right. And I'm going to put that box right there because my son has a letter a week because he's in preschool. So that just helps to remind me. I'm also getting these little boxes out, and these could actually come from the Happy Planner to be able to remind me that he's in virtual school. Then we got to put down their bath times. And I'll also put down his extra class he needs to take. And then I'm getting some Happy Mail, so I'll just put that in there. And then I've got garbage. Now I put garbage on Thursday. Garbage is actually on Friday, and then I have recycling this week. And then my grocery time and laundry time, as well as my cleaning the house time. And this side is pretty much done. Now I'm gonna come over here, I'm gonna put that box there, that first lemon box there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put in the second lemon box. And go ahead and grab my big box from the vertical bottom, because this is where I put my quote, and I'll put that up on Wednesday. Y'all will see that on Wednesday on Instagram, so make sure to follow me on Instagram. Then I'm gonna take that flag and I'm gonna use the check box this time. I normally use the alphabet for the days of the week, but now I'm gonna put the clean house that came from the sampler, but I normally used to put that there, but I would never do it on those days, so I just decided I'd do it this way. Now I am gonna use that for my budget. I'm gonna put that right there, so I have my tracker and my budget. And I'm gonna put the family time in. Grab that, put that right there. And then my family time is real important to me, So we're gonna use the green boxes instead of the black. Y'all, I was trying to make up my mind. So we're gonna use the green. And then I'm gonna pull out the appointment stickers, and we're gonna use this to identify each one of the family members. So I use the white area to put the date and the squares to identify each one. So there's Jaden and Rashad, and they come in different sizes, blank and question marks and all of that. And then R for Rashad, and then T is for Tim. So I'm gonna put that T in there. And then since those are all there and they're super cute, I'm gonna go to Stickers by Rhonda, and I'm gonna grab this. So cute, look at this. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. So it's Love So Soft with the sassy haircut. So I'll put the link in the description below because she gave us a promo code for all of my viewers. So that'll be in the thing below. Now I just put these two icons down because I normally use the Rhonda. They're so cute. I love those. I have a whole bunch more, but I'll be doing a whole thing on just Stickers by Rhonda. So now I'm gonna put my headers in, so don't forget. And I'm just gonna use the felt tip for this and put budgeting your gas. That's the one we're gonna do in real life. Ooh, I used a Sharpie, it didn't go through, I guess because all the stickers I got on there didn't go through. And then I'm gonna white out that one because it was kind of sticking out over. And I'm gonna take this flag that's green and put this in here once I figure out how the devil I want to put it down. Y'all, you know I'm special sometimes. I can't figure out how I wanted to lay that down. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my scissors and put the to call down, because I do this especially now that we got Corona. Just call family and friends and check on them, as well as any business matters or any family, you know. So again, this is the one we're gonna do in real life, the budgeting your gas. I'll be posting that shortly about how I do that. And then that's pretty much it. So let me zoom out so you can get the full look of everything. And yes, it's crooked because I'm left-handed. Let me turn it straight. Remember, you are exactly where you need to be today. I'd like to thank you. Bye-bye now. If you'd like to see more, please click the links here and here. Thanks again.